Hello, welcome to Module 1 of the Format Online Instructional Design Certification course. I'm really excited to be here with you because here's where we get into discovering your learning style and how you can overcome one of the biggest potential barriers to becoming a truly powerful performance partner to your clients, whether that's the internal customers in your organization requesting training or the external clients that you consult with. Anybody who's logged time in front of a group of learners knows for a fact that learning style differences exist. The research confirms that there are unique ways in how we like to take in and make meaning of all the information coming at us. And addressing those needs is important because this is critical to engaging attention. In this module, you're going to learn to recognize each learning style's needs and what it takes to engage the attention of everybody in the room. Now, the big challenge in designing learning that effectively engages everybody, every learner, is recognizing your own bias. I've worked with thousands of instructional designers, and most of us learned how to design instruction by studying what others do well and observing what works. So as a learner, I might watch you facilitate a training and think, wow, I love how you did that opening activity, and I think I'll use that in the course that I'm working on next week. See, we define what's effective and engaging based on what we find to be effective and engaging. So we have a tendency to collect activities and techniques that appeal to our own way of learning, our learning style. So we get better and better at designing for our own way of knowing, our learning style. So you're going to discover how to be really effective in designing learning, that you have to really be aware of this bias. So in this module, we're going to learn how to notice your strengths and be aware when you're overusing them, and you'll get really clear on what each style finds fulfilling and engaging in the learning experiences that you create. I remember when it dawned on me that I was really strong at engaging learners with a similar style or the same style as my own, and I often missed learners who needed something entirely different than what I was providing. It was like a light bulb went off and I suddenly understood why I could have 50 people in a workshop and some would think it was like the best thing ever and others would find it entirely lacking. So understanding the different ways that people engage with information gave me a predictable blueprint for designing learning that appeals to everybody. And that's what you're going to find. So let's begin with discovering your learning style preference by completing the learning type measure. Then take a few moments to reflect on the types of learning experiences that you enjoy. What was your all-time favorite learning experience? Why was it so impactful? So reflect on this and bring your thoughts with you into the next step of this module.